FABTECH will be held November 6th through 8th at the Georgia World Congress Center. Let's take a look at a few of the exhibitors and the products they'll have on display at the CCAI Finishing Pavilion. Coolmet Engineered Finishing Solutions CT Air makeup products are customizable to air volumes ranging to 120,000 CFM, as well as with humidity and temperature control. One of the products Gamma will display is its OptiStar 4.0 gun control and Gamma E-App, which can monitor coating costs, collect productivity statistics, and display device and diagnostic data. George Cook Sons, along with divisions of Price Wahlgren and Jessup Systems, designs, manufactures, and installs custom surface finishing equipment servicing the automotive, aerospace, military, agricultural, and industrial marketplace, as well as job shops. The automated systems can be used for applications including electrocoat, liquid and powder paint, plating, phosphate, anodizing, and porcelain enamel. The company delivers systems with operating efficiencies above 98% uptime and maximum production flexibility, and maintains a constant focus on safety and environmental protection. George Cook Sons serves North America from Indiana, Michigan, and Mexico, and its global capabilities include locations in Europe, India, and China. Durer is adding the EcoGun AS-Man 1AF manual spray gun to its suite of application technology tools. Bex will display eductors for tank mixing and spray nozzles for cleaning parts and equipment. The Alcometer 456 coating thickness gauge has 3 ultra-scan probe options for measurement of coatings on either ferrous or non-ferrous metals. To learn more about FABTECH and the CCAI Finishing Pavilion, visit fabtechexpo.com or pfonline.com.